Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we're doing a product review of a VR accessory for the MetaQuest 2 headset. We're going to be looking at these controller grip extenders by Hibloks. In this video I'm going to unbox them, assemble them, and then give you my review after I use them for a little bit. So let's jump into it. Okay, so here we got the box that came in the mail here, and you can either just take off an end, or once I started taking off the ends I realized that you can just peel this up and the whole box just kind of opens up, which is nice. So looks like we got the user manual here. I'll put that up there, and then everything is in this nice case that can tighten up. So we'll open this up and see what we got. Looks like those are all your different parts, and other than that it is just our extension grips there. You can see looks like a little Yoda on the bottom with blue and red lightsabers. And yeah, so we'll get to those. Let's open this up here. We got the little controller components. Gives us a screwdriver to help us out. Extra, what do you call these things? Wristband things. And some other parts that I'm sure we'll find out exactly what they are. In here we got two little inserts and some screws and little nuts there as well. Alright, so we take a look here. I've got my controllers. We'll start with, what is this one? Our left controller. So we're going to take this off, take out the wristband piece as well. Then here it says to insert this, what do they call it? Battery bay filling. You can see that on the back side they have a nut there. So we're going to put that in. The little L is just right there. You can see the little L. And then from there we put in, it shows this. This is the right one. This one has an L right there. So we're going to put this up in here. Okay. From there we use these. And let's see on here. Oh yeah, it has a little R right there for right. So this one will be a little left one. Shows placing that in, and then it shows putting a screw in here, and then this is where you can use this screwdriver to help you out. Okay, that's good and tight. We're going to do that same thing now with the right controller. Okay, that's good. These are, it says, just extras, so I'm just going to put them back in the bag here. Put those up there. And that's really it. All you need to do now is just take this end of the extension grip and just thread it in. Tighten that around. We'll do the same with this one here. I can't remember on Beat Saber which one is red and blue. I might have them backwards here. It's not like it makes a big deal. You can see them there. Now on the bottoms of these, they do have this little detachable piece. So you could detach the bottom piece there to plug in this extension grip connector and connect both of them together for certain games. Maybe like the kayak game. I don't know what other, maybe on the Star Wars games, maybe you might have a lightsaber that's dual like that. I'm not sure because I haven't played that one. But then if you click on the bottom here, if I can get it, there we go. You can see the lights flashing. There's that first mode. Second mode, they're medium fast. And then they're slower between there. I think there's just three. Yep, just the three. And then it says on here that, what does it say? The lamp is detachable. We provide an additional set of lamps. Pry the cover off to replace. So you can just, it shows peeling this off right here. There you go. And you can see underneath what it actually is like. And if you need to replace those, it sounds like they'll send you a replacement if you need. If you want to attach the wrist components there, I'll take one of them out and we'll go through that process quickly here. Just at the bottom here you can see there's a little spot to thread this through. And now you've got here your attached wrist strap for your extension grips. So that's the assembly and unboxing there. I'll use them a little bit here and see how I like them, and I'll get back to you. Alright, so I had the chance to use these a little bit. Now I'm going to give you my review on them. So for pros, I find them really comfy to use. The nice soft silicone covers are nice to hold on to. When you're using the wrist strap there, it doesn't rub or do anything weird. It's nice and comfy. Makes this really nice and sturdy. By being able to actually screw this onto it, both on the bottom here and right there, I find it to be very, very sturdy. It's not going to be flying off at any time, so that was really, really nice. I played it with Beat Saber, and it made it fun. You know, it makes it more like you're kind of playing the drums. I really enjoyed playing it with that. They're easy to assemble as well, which is nice. Nothing too complicated. The instructions are easy to follow. On my cons list, you can't really use some other types of grip covers. The grip covers that I have has the battery slip in here as well, and I have to use this battery slip when I'm using this, so I can't use the grip covers that I have while I'm using this, which is fine. What else did I have here? Oh, the first time when I was playing Beat Saber, my controllers actually banged together when, you know, notes were crossing each other. That doesn't happen when I'm just playing, like holding the controllers up like this. And then when you actually have to use the menu, you know, when you've got this wristband tight on your wrist and you actually have to kind of extend your arm up to get the buttons there, it can be a little bit awkward. But I mean, if you're playing Beat Saber, it's not like you're using it that much. Overall, would I recommend these? Yes, I would. I did enjoy using them. I don't have any of the golf games, but I think that this would really help with the golf games as well, and I would really enjoy using it with that. You can use it with the Kayak VR, Walkabout Mini Golf. I think I would really, really like this for those ones as well. If you have experience with these and would like to leave your review in the comment below, I would love you to do so. If you have any questions, please ask. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and like it, and we'll see you next time on Brian's Lone Artist.